They ain't stopping. It's all wild over there. Facebook and Ray-Ban are launching smart glasses in 2021. You know, Zuckerberg's been talking all about augmented reality. Well, actually VR as well, but it seems like he's really excited about AR. Mm-hmm. He's all fired up about AR.
Yep.
And the one thing about this AR, whatever these glasses are, people are really concerned about the style. If they're actually going to wear it, it seemed like it has to look a certain way.
Yes.
I don't know if you remember Google Glass and then everything that's happened in between. There's always been this apprehension around wearing something on your face that tells people, hey, I might be recording you. It makes people very uncomfortable. Yeah, I mean, that's a long time ago now, isn't it? The initial Google Glass. I remember the second version. Of course, North put out their product, Focals. I think they were called North Focal. Yep. And then Google bought them. Everyone's trying to figure out how to make these things not look like what they are. If they can get closer to regular glasses, the closer they can get to regular glasses or something that people would consider stylish, then people would consider adopting them.
I think these are not bad.
That's as close as anyone's gotten.
And it doesn't have a camera on it. So there's that.
Right. Well, I mean, the current Facebook product definitely has cameras on it. But maybe they hope that by teaming up with Ray-Ban, they can figure out a stylish way to do it. Let's see here. After spending time with their team and visiting their factory, this is Zuckerberg's quote about Ray-Ban, I knew that they were the right partner for us to help bring the best technology together with the best glasses. As his words, apparently the first step here is something called Project Area, a research device that's going to be given to Facebook employees. Now, this early version is not going to have any AR features. It will just capture audio, video, eye tracking, and location data. Then Facebook will utilize that to help develop its eventual AR version of the thing. Those look like they are recording you. They would make you uncomfortable the way it sits right now. The product, the test product. These components, I guess they got to find a way to shrink it down because it's just really intimidating at the moment. I'm sure inside of Facebook, if you're an employee wearing it, everybody's going to be all right with it. But when you're chilling with your pals, they're like, hey, man, ease up over there. Right?
Why are you recording me?
Yeah, there's got to be some of that. So we'll see what they're able to do together. But that's what they look like as it stands right now. And as these tests will be taking place. What is the plan for the actual commercial product time-wise? I don't know if they list it. It doesn't look like they're listing it, but they're going to start testing the initial phase with the employees beginning in September. So that's right now. So it's all happening.